So here we have two sets A and B. We need to find out the Cartesian product of set A and B and also represent it graphically. Let us begin. So here we will first compute the Cartesian product of A and B. That means we will consider the elements of set A first. So set A has got three elements, 1, 2 and 3. We're going to form a Cartesian product with the elements of set B. So set B has got two elements, 3 and 4. So the procedure is we pick up the first element of set A, which is 1, and form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of the second set, which is B in our case. So we have 1, 3, that is going to be the first ordered pair, followed by 1, 4. Okay, next we will pick up the second element of set A, so that's 2. 2 is going to be forming an ordered pair with each of the elements of set B, those are 3 and 4. So that means we are going to get 2, 3, and then we're going to get 2, 4. Fine. And then we will take the third element of set A, which is 3, and form our Cartesian, will form an ordered pair with the two elements of set B. So that are 3, 3 and 3, 4. So that is the Cartesian product of the set A and B. Now our next task is to represent it graphically. For this, we're going to consider the Cartesian plane. So here we have the Cartesian xy plane. If we pick up the first ordered pair, so here we have the ordered pair 1, 3. So the first element here, 1, that is going to represent the x coordinate, and the second element, which is 3 here, is going to represent the y coordinate. So if we plot the point 1, 3 on the Cartesian plane, so 1, 3, this is going to be the point. Next we have 1, 4. So 1, 4 is going to be this point 1, 4, which is 1 units along the x-axis and 4 units along the y-axis. Next we have 2, 3. So we have to go 2 units along the x-axis and then 3 units along the y-axis, which is going to give us the point 2, 3. To get 2, 4, we're going to go 2 units along x-axis and 4 units along y-axis to get 2, 4. Similarly, we have 3, 3 units along both x and y-axis, and then we have 3, 4, which is going to be 3 units along x-axis and 4 units along the y-axis.